Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up.
And for those of you who's new here, my name is Vibing with Nisi, so be sure to click that subscribe button down below and show some love. And today, y'all, I am doing the viral TikTok noodle mukbang type thing. They make the Blove Worcestershire Sauce homemade. I'll be sure to put the ingredients down below in the description box. And I'll be talking to you guys about 10 of the top mistakes I made being a new YouTuber on YouTube. And before I do that, I really do want to taste this because it looks good real quick. And disclaimer, I am a new YouTuber and I am still working and I'm still trying to grow my channel, just so y'all know. So don't come for me in the comments. Mistake number 1 would be not having what I'll be talking about planned out, like just going day by day instead of writing everything down, at least about 30 to 50 things down that I'll be talking about. And y'all, I did get this idea from It's Naya. Check her channel out because she do have a lot of tips about how to build your YouTube. Number 2, if y'all gonna check out my first video, it's so embarrassing, but I kept it up there to see my progress. Justice for me. I do clean my face for about 60 minutes. 60 minutes.
Bitch, are you dumb?
Pardon me?
Are you dumb?
I think she's
I
dumb.
think she's dumb.
I think she's
60 seconds. I had too many memes and they're like, it wasn't even funny for real. But yeah, check out my first video. That one is. We got this side. I put a lot of hot sauce in it. Number 3 would be background music. I've seen a difference between my first video and my video now. The music makes a huge difference. You don't want your video sounding like this compared to this. It's like with the music on, it sounds way better. Like it makes people want to watch your video. It's not too boring. Number 4, this isn't really a mistake I made because I'm somebody, I do my research. I did learn that you should do non-copyrighted music. Your music in the background, your intros, your outros. You want non-copyrighted music. Lakey inspired music is good music. But make sure you go to YouTube and put in the search bar non-copyrighted music and a whole list of stuff will pop up that you can use. And you can just screen record it and use it. Number 5 would be to take your time editing. You don't have to restart your video over again. If you're making a mistake, you can always edit your mistakes and cut them out. And nobody ever know. I promise you that. Number 6 would be to be your true, authentic self. When you're not being you, people could tell through the camera. And if I could find a video, I'm gonna insert it. Future Tootsie. Now that man, Tootsie, y'all gotta get into it. We got, just be your authentic self, and that will attract more people to your channel. Number 8 wouldn't be a mistake that I made. You do not need high equipment right now. A good phone, more up-to-date iPhone, iPad, stuff like that, that'll be good enough until you know for a fact that YouTube is what you want to make a passion out of. Like me, I'm using my iPad right now, my iPad 10th generation. I have some lights cut on and my blinds are open. I don't have a ring light or anything right now. And the quality still is good. I just got my lip burning. And be prepared to take almost all day editing if you are a perfectionist or if you want your video to be perfect, because it takes me takes me hours to edit my video. I know I'm still not there yet. I feel like when I look at my videos, they look pretty good to me. It's so good, y'all, I swear. Don't even look at your progress. Maybe look at your progress every month. For example, today is January the 15th. Let's say that you're just now starting your YouTube channel today. Wait till February the 15th to check your progress, because if you're checking it every day, you're going to end up getting discouraged and you're not going to want to do YouTube no more. And as long as you're making some type of progress within that month's time frame, you have nothing to worry about. Consistency is key. You want to post at least 3 or 4 times every week. Y'all, that's all I've been doing. Pushing my content. And shorts are good. My friend Marie put me onto the shorts. Shorts will also draw your audience to watch your video. You gotta make sure that everything in your short looks interesting, so that way they can go see your video. And also to make my shorts, make the titles very short. You don't want a long title with your shorts because it's not gonna draw too much attention. Y'all, this is the end of my video. And before I do end it, let's take a couple more bites for y'all since it is supposed to be a little mukbang. I'm gonna include the timestamps below. This wraps up my noodle, egg, and sausage mukbang with the Blove sauce. And my top mistakes that I made as a new YouTuber video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below for more content like this. And I'll catch you guys in my next video.
Hello, stranger.